I am back, so let's take a look of it. Yes, nutritious, energizing, refreshing, classic, then affordable. So, and that is the end part of it. So I'm gonna be adding some sound effects. See this place, there should be a sound effect. So what you are going to be doing now, the next thing is to add the sound effects. We are going to be adding the sound effects. Yes, let's add the sound effect. You see, as this product is coming in, there should be sound effects so that it will spice this up. So let's start. Just come here to this audio, click on the audio, then click on this effects, then click on this transition or popular. You can use any of these. You can use any of these, but I think what we needed most is here. So just play around, play around, play around, check the one that is best. Okay, I think this number 4 is okay for me. So you have to adjust it. Just make sure that you center it well so that it will match up. Let's try this. Perfect. Yes, and you just have to trim it out. Trim it out. I say split, then delete, then copy it, duplicate it. When you duplicate it, you adjust it to the next one, because we are going to be using the same thing for every stock video. All the for the product, we are going to be using it, because you don't have to change it, just for you not to distract your work, because if you start changing it, it will not make your work neat. So let's check this one as well. Nutritious, energizing. No, just let it come back a little bit. Yes, but it's supposed to be. Let's check it here. No. Yes. No. Come. Yes, I think it's okay like that. But this number 1 is perfect because the test enter at the same time. That means there should be a mistake somewhere, because the test here somehow come out first. Let's go and check something. You know, the mistake I noticed there is that the test no. So this is how you have to pay attention to anything you are doing. You see, now we've made a mistake here. So the mistake is that the test come out first. So we made a mistake here. So just have to pay attention to what you are doing. That test should be, that in animation is too fast. Like, it's too fast. It has to be slow. Like this one now. You see this in animation. Yes, now I know there is something wrong. You see, when I say in animation now, you see, we gave them the same in animation, but this one is full. We have 0.6. So this one now, you have to be 0.6 as well. 0.6. But why this one? Why is it in 0.6? So that is the mistake there. 0.6. Then this one, okay, that is what happened. Is because yes. So this is what you need to take a look. It's because of the length of the in animation that give it, yes, perfect like this. You will see what I'm talking about now. So you just have to take a look back on what you are doing. A little bit. Yes, I'm perfect like this. Yes. 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 So that is it. Let's go back. So let's go back to our sound effect. So here we are. Yes. Then duplicate it again. I hope you are not distracted. You are still following. So you drag it back a little bit as well. Drag it back a little bit. Then check it out. No. Can drag this one here. Yes. Duplicate again. Check it out here. Yes. Yes. Then duplicate again for the last one. And let's check it. Yes. I think it's perfect like this. Notifications. Energizing. Refreshing. Classic. Then affordable. I think it's okay. So for the sound effect of this one, yes, you just have to, for you to get this sound effect, you have to go to, I have it already, but let me tell you how to get some sound effects. So I need a sound effect of pouring water here, the sound of pouring water, but I don't think I can get it on this software. So you have to go ahead, go to YouTube. I'm only telling you this. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, so just search. Make sure your description is okay. Just go here, go to search and search for water pouring sound effect. What is this? Search for water pouring sound effect. You see, once you have it, I think I downloaded this one. You see, once you get anything you want here, you just click on here. Click on this guy. This guy share. Yeah, this share. That share icon.
Improve ROI with
Just click
Google
on
Ads.
it.
Like this business low-key achieved over 500% return on investment. What? I uploaded 200 YouTube shorts in the year 2025, and I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for all of those YouTube shorts. But before then, there's a particular content.
So, once you have gotten your sound effect like this, and you click on this share, then all you need is to copy the link. Just copy. I've copied the link. Now head over to your head over to your this thing, your Google Chrome. So when you get your Google Chrome, just search YouTube downloader. Search YouTube. Where is it? YouTube downloader. Yes, YouTube downloader. Just click on it. When you click on it, you will see something like this. Say from net, download YouTube video for free. So once you are here, just paste the link on this. Enter URL. Just paste it there and click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, just wait a bit. It will pop up. If it is right link you paste, you will see the preview of it here. So then you go ahead and download. I will not download it again because I've already downloaded it. It's already on my phone, so it's just because I want to show you. That's why I'm here. So I don't need this again. So let's go back to our video. So just once you downloaded it, you know it's video we downloaded. So you just have to come here. So go to effects. Yes, go to my music. You know, it's sound effect, it's video we downloaded. So this is how you get it. You see this thing? This thing extract audio from video. That is where you will click on, because it's video you want to import. Just click on it. This is what I downloaded. This is the guy I want to use. So you just click OK. Then you have it. See, that is it. Then you trim it out because it's not everything you need. Just trim it out to get the parts you wanted. I think right from here I don't need it. Yes, let me just no. You split it, delete this part, then it's okay like this. You trim it again, you delete it. Once you've deleted it, and that's all. This boy as well, there should be a sound effect for it, like a relief sound effect, but I will not do that. Sorry, I will not do that. But you can play around just like I show you this one. You can download it as well. Just make sure your description is match what you are looking for, and you will get it. So the next thing we have to do now, because this video is beginning too long, the next thing we have to do now is to add our background music, just to spice it up. But notice something: whenever you are adding background music to an advert video like this, you have to be very careful of the kind of background you add. Don't just add anyhow background. So let me quickly add the background music and let's see what we have been doing since morning. So go here, go to audio, then go to extract audio from video. I think I have something I want to use here as well. Yes, this is what I want to use. Then click on it. This is my background music. Then you trim it out. You come here, trim it out, delete this part, and notice something. You notice when we play the background music, all this our transition, we not hear the voice very well. You just have to come here and increase the volume of every of the transition to 200. Just increase the volume so that the volume will come out. You know, it just look as if our background music have cover up the transition. So just come here, increase every of it, then less and decrease. Make sure you reduce Make sure you reduce your background music. Reduce it. Yes. That is it. But for the ending part, let me just quickly tell you this. You see this, as this ending part of this background music, you have to do something. You have to be creative enough. Click on this edit. When you click on the back, you see this is the background music. Just click on it. This ending part needs to be fade out, like something is ending. So just click on this edit. Then you see this, we have fade in and fade out. You see this fade in, you have to blend it a little bit. You see now, leave it for 2 point something, so that when the thing is ending, it will, you see, I don't know, maybe you notice what I just did now. That is the fade out, so that we know that our music is coming to an end. And this one as well, you can fade in as well if you wish. So that is that for that. That is that for that. So I really hope you enjoyed today's class. So prepare yourself for tomorrow class and make sure you do the assignment. You see, practice make habit. If you practice this, and that is when you will know what you are capable of doing. Just practice this, submit the assignments, and I will make sure I try all my possible best to review every of the assignments. So I will send the link of the assignments to you. So that is that. Then how to export it. So if you want to export your video, this is how to export it. You see this thing, see this export. You click on it, export. Just leave it. You see, if you don't have enough space, advisable, come here, come to this thing. You see, 1080 1080 per frame. Just leave it like that. If you know your phone is not, you don't have the capacity of it, don't allow your phone to be hanging. But me, I used to export 2K. So if your own, you just export it and leave it like this and click on export. So when you click on export, I don't want to export it because I don't need it now. Just click on export. Because of you, I will do that. Once you click on export,
Sarah, can you lend me some money? I need to buy a new laptop to do my assignment. Why don't you try Okash? An online loan isn't.
Just make sure you cancel those adverts, then allow it like this. So me, I want to cut it. Just allow it like this to don't finish. So that is the end of today's class. Thank you, and thanks for your time. Make sure you pay attention to the video, watch it over and over again. If you have any question, drop it in the assignments group and I will attend to it. Thank you.